Cook Me a Story by Lalita Sundaram. Once upon a time, in the colorful city of Ooty, there lived a young and curious chef named Ruby. Ruby had a magical garden filled with the most extraordinary vegetables and fruits you could imagine. Each plant possessed its own unique flavor and enchanting power. One sunny morning, Ruby woke up with an exciting idea. She wanted to invite all her friends to a fun filled cooking adventure in her garden. She sent out invitations that read, "Calling all adventurous souls. Join me for a whimsical journey of cooking with magical vegetables and fruits." On the day of the event, Ruby's friends gathered in her garden, eyes sparkling with anticipation. Ruby welcomed them with a warm smile and led them to a beautifully set outdoor kitchen. The aroma of herbs and the vibrant colors of the garden filled the air, igniting everyone's imagination. Their first stop was the vibrant veggie patch, where Ruby introduced them to the magical vegetables. The tomatoes giggled as they turned from green to red, and the carrots danced around, showing off their vibrant orange hues. Ruby encouraged her friends to pluck the freshest veggies and let their creativity run wild. Next, they wandered through the fruity fantasy orchard, a delightful grove filled with the luscious fruits. The apples sang sweet melodies, the strawberries bounced with excitement, and the pineapples emitted a tropical fragrance that transported everyone to a sunny beach. Ruby's friends couldn't resist tasting juicy fruits along the way. Once they gathered their basket full of enchanted ingredients, they returned to their outdoor kitchen. Ruby explained that each fruit and vegetable had a secret power to transform ordinary dishes into extraordinary delights. She guided her friends through a series of fun and interactive recipes. First, they crafted rainbow wraps using vibrant lettuce leaves as their canvas and filling them with an array of colorful veggies. As they rolled the wraps, the colors magically blended, creating beautiful edible rainbows that made everyone's taste buds dance with joy. For the grand finale, Ruby revealed her secret recipe for magic fruit pies. Each friend chose a different fruit to create their pie: apple, peach, or cherry. As they sliced the fruits and arranged them in the pie crust, a delicious aroma filled the kitchen. Once baked, the pies transformed into scrumptious masterpieces, with each bite delivering a taste of pure enchantment. With their aprons splattered with rainbow colors and their bellies full of magical delights, Ruby and her friends gathered around a picnic blanket, sharing laughter, and stories. They realized that cooking with vegetables and fruits wasn't just about nutrition, it was a joyful adventure that brought people together, sparkling their imagination and delighting their senses. From that day onward, Ruby and her friends continued their fun cooking escapades, exploring new recipes and discovering the wondrous magic hidden within each vegetable and fruit. And in the land of Ooty, their kitchen garden became a place where creativity and friendship blossomed, one delicious dish at a time. I hope, my dear teachers, parents, and children, you enjoyed listening to this story. Thank you very much.